Hi, my name is Sufal Thakre. This is GigFlow, a mini freelance marketplace built using React.js with Vite, Tailwind CSS, and Node.js plus Express.js for backend, and MongoDB as a database, and Socket.io. I will walk you through the core hiring flow, which is the heart of this application. So let's get started. So here you can see our application GigFlow. So first I will log in as a client one, who is a client looking to hire a freelancer, and he will post it a gig. So first of all we need to log in as a client one. So here we already registered client one. So details already given. So after clicking login, we can see here the name of client one, that so the we already logged in. Okay, so after this we need to click post gig. After clicking post gig, we need to fill the details for creating new gig. So here we put the detail of gig. Let's say I put a detail Figma style page. Here we need to add a description for a gig. Let's say we add Figma style. So we prepare in 3 to 4 days. After this we need to add a budget, let's say 2000. After this we click create gig. So here you can see the new gig which already created. Here you can see the Figma style page, which is a new gig. So great, we already posted a new gig. Now let's see it from the freelancer's perspective. So now I am logging as a freelancer one who sees client's one gig and wants to submit a bid. So here we need to first of all log out and log in as a freelancer one. So before that we need to register as a freelancer one. So here we put freelancer one name, and here we put the email of freelancer one. After putting email, we add the password for freelancer, and freelancer one password, freelancer one. Here after clicking registered, we will save the password for freelancer one. So here we logged in as a freelancer one. Now here we can see the new gig which is posted by client one. You can see Figma style page. After clicking the view details, here you need to click a submit a bid as a freelancer one. So after clicking submit a bid, we need to give our proposals that I can fix this design in a 1 day, and after this you can adjust your own price. Let's say we add 200, and after this we click submit button. After submit, you can see that your bid has been submitted successfully. You can track it from your dashboard. So here we put dashboard button, and here we can see our bids, which is on client's one gig. Okay, so here you can see the pending status as well as your bids. So you have only one bids on client one. So here you can see the bid. Now let me show the another freelancer who is submitting another bid to client one. Okay, so we need to log out as a freelancer one, and after this we need to register as a freelancer two. After this we add email. After this we add password and registered. So here we logged in as a freelancer two. Now we can see the gig of client one, which is a Figma style page. Here we can click view details and submit a bid. Let's say I am freelancer 2. Your work can be done in 3 hours. After this we can assign our own price, 150, let's say. After this we need to submit a bid. So here you can see the message, your bid has been successfully submitted. and you can track it from your dashboard. So here we click the dashboard. So here we can see our new bid Figma style page, which is on client 1 gig. Okay, so here freelancer 1 and freelancer 2 already submitted a bid on clients 1 gig. Now we log in as a client 1 again, so we can hire any one freelancer. Okay, now I am coming back as a client 1. So after this he can see all the bids of for his project. Okay, so now let's check them. Here we can click the dashboard, and here we click the view details. After this view details, here we can see all the bids for this project. Figma style page is our gig, and here we can see the bids of freelancer 2 and bids of freelancer 1. Okay, so if we click the hire freelancers, then we hire any freelancers. Let's say if we hire freelancer 1, then we need to click the button of hire freelancer of freelancer 1, and if we want to hire a freelancer 2, then we need to click a hire freelancer of freelancer 2. Okay, so let's say if you want to hire a freelancer 2, so after clicking hire freelancer, he will show the hired message that we assigned the task to freelancer 2, and here we can see the automatically it is rejected to all other freelancers and all other bids. Okay, so here we can again click our dashboard, and here we can see the message of assigned, that we assigned our gig to freelancer 2. Here we can see the details that who is assigned for this gig. Okay, so here you can see 3 things. First one, here you see open status. So here you can see the assigned status, and after in this you can see the hire marked. Okay, and for all other bits you can see the rejected mark. Okay, now we switch the freelancers to dashboard. Here we see the message of hiring, that how he can see the message or notifications of hired. Okay, so here we click the dashboard. Here you can see the my bid sections. Here you can see the hire marked. The status is shown as a hired. Okay, so there is a message also showed that is, brother, you have been hired for this project. Okay, so basically this GigFlow application handles the complete authentication, hiring workflow, and the prevention, race conditions, and the real-time updates with socket.io, and the application is fully deployed and ready to use. Thank you for watching.